Good morning. It is 7:57. My hair is just ridiculous today. I'm going to put a hat on though, so it's fine. It is -6 outside. I'm trying to defrost my car. I was trying to edit as well, and obviously Klingon cat needed love. The girls are there ready for school. All the car is defrosting nicely. Yeah. The kids are all at school again today, so I'm going to try and get the spare bedroom ready because my best friend is coming to stay on Thursday. I'm going to pick her up. Her mum is bringing her halfway. And then I'm going to pick her up. It's about an hour and a little bit away that I'm going to pick her up from. And then her and her little boy are coming to stay Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and then I'm taking her back to the drop-off point on Sunday. I don't know what that is. I see fart noises. Yeah, I want to try and get the spare room ready so they can, well, it's not a spare room, it's Mika's bedroom. She's just not in there at the moment. Because Fox is in with me, so Mika's in his room and Ari's in her room, and then Mika's room is empty because we're going to decorate it. But I want to get that room ready so they've got a bed in there and somewhere to sleep when they come and stay, and it's all nice for them. Yeah, that is the plan for today. It's my job is to do that and to make a shopping list for any little bits that I'm running out of. Yeah, and I will talk to you at some point.
I want to hear the work. I want to hear the work.
What do you want to do? You want to have a cuddle with Bandit?
Yeah.
Come on then, see if he wants to give you a cuddle. Does he love you?
Yeah. He loves me today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is he your best friend today?
I found this hair.
Yeah. You found some Duplo?
That keep it somewhere safe.
Okay.
Near the window. Oh, my potato.
You're a tato.
A veg. Bill. Hi, sausage roll.
You're my sausage boy.
You my sausage roll.
Bandit gonna come and give you some love again. Oh, he loves you.
Yeah. Ow.
Maybe.
Hi.
He is a cuddly boy today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look in here.
I don't want Mr. Pickles in my bed.
Why?
Because I don't. It's yours to cuddle. It's 5:30. We're coming to wind down for bed, aren't we? Yeah. Excuse me.
How much? How like go?
Take your duck out while you talk.
How much legs she got?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, I see. That's cool.
Count 1, 2.
He's doing lots of counting at the moment.
4,
5.
6, 7.
Oh God.
10.
I'm shattered today. I've got a horrible cough. And he has been a bit clingy today, so I'm really hoping he's not getting ill again. It's ridiculous. Like, the bugs at nursery, there's so many kids off at the moment. Yeah.
I
put my painting up for sale on my Etsy shop. Yeah, your juice can go there. This one is up for sale, and I've got another one downstairs that's going to go up soon. I'm keeping the green one because I love it, but this one is now up for sale. Yeah, I'm going to leave my Etsy shop links down below. You don't have to go and have a look, but if you do, even if you just go and have a look and just favourite my shop and favourite my items, you don't have to buy anything, but that really helps me. So that'll be lovely. I'm going to get this little man ready for his bed. Put his jammies on. Going to do a wee-wee on a toilet for me?
No.
No? Why not?
Not now.
No, when?
When it's morning.
When it's morning. Okay, we'll take that.